Hello guys, so welcome to the December EDC update from me. I'll show around what I've been mostly carrying this month. For the watch I'm carrying my Tommy Hilfiger watch, which I've reviewed in the past. On my right I've carrying this, just this, this is to support some solidarity organization. Also my car keys, which I need to use every day. Also my keychain full of things. So these are my keys, my locker key, my multi-tool, which is the Letterman Micra. I don't really feel the use to have pliers on me, so it really doesn't make sense for me to carry a set. This is my flashlight, which is the Fenix E01. This is my coin carrier with a lucky, it's here, with a lucky silver dollar in it. My Krabby wallet with my house key, and then some random cards. This is just a really nice pen that I got from an hotel. Really don't know the maker, but pretty sturdy, works great. This is my notebook where I keep my daily notes, and really a paper notebook outweighs your phone. Just for me, it's way easier to take a note on this than take a note on the cell phone. So now passing to the multi-tool knives. Here's my Wagner Soldier. Pretty cool multi-tool with a knife, can opener and small screwdriver, cap lifter and large screwdriver, and also an all reamer. Small, compact, light. I'm pretty much able to carry it anywhere because it's Victorinox, so people never associate it with foul play. And my main blade, which I don't mind abusing because it was really affordable, €9. This is an Albainox, pretty cool liner. Really sharp, really great for opening packages, preparing meals. Really a nice, cheap, affordable, all-around knife. And for my phone, I'm currently recording with it, so it's an iPhone 5S with a G-form case. Pretty great. And this is pretty much my rotation for the month of December. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.